While rows and rows of golden wheat might be a picture reserved for the Midwest, there's typically around 200,000 acres planted right here in the state every year. With the unique climate and soil conditions of the Southeast, it's imperative to have a world-class breeding program right in your backyard.
The purpose is to develop varieties that are well adapted to Georgia and the Southeast region. These varieties should be very high productive varieties compared to what we have now. At least they have to be equal or better than them for yield. We don't want to have tall variety which they fall down. We don't want to have a very short variety because in dry years it will be short. You cannot even use machinery.
Overall yield is just one consideration that goes into each variety, as getting the plant safely to harvest is of equal importance.
We have a disease called scab or fusarium head blight, which is really a very complex disease and it's a challenge. So since the last 10 years, we have been working to develop varieties that are resistant to this disease, among other like leaf rust, stem rust, stripe rust, and also insect.
That decade of research and development came to fruition late in 2020 with 3 new releases. However, with that much time and effort put into each one, plenty of commitment and forethought were required.
You have to have a vision what's going to be the situation of wheat in 10 years, what's going to be the market, the export market, the industry, wheat industry, milling, baking, what consumers want in 10 years. I mean, we like bread and so on, but in 10 years, maybe a different product which requires different quality.
In that long time period, there is plenty of trial and error, as a staggeringly small percentage of the tested varieties actually make it into the fields.
Each year we are growing about more than 60,000 different genotypes. So among these, we hope after 7 to 10 years, we can find 1 or 2 or 3 like this year. Sometimes we are lucky, we have 3 or 4, but sometimes we have 0. I mean, some years we don't release.
That type of scrutiny has to be comforting for the growers, as they are assured a quality product. However, it wouldn't be possible without all the advancements in technology and procedures.
I can just take DNA from a leaf at early stage, send it to the lab, and they will tell me the gene is there or not. And that's really a very powerful tool that helps breeders to be efficient and reduce time.
Reporting from Athens, I'm Damon Jones for the Farm Monitor.